Just landed at the Istanbul Airport and wondering how to get to the city center without spending too much? Then you are in the right place. In this video, I will show you the cheapest and easiest way to get from Istanbul Airport to the city center. If you are interested in all different ways to get from Istanbul Airport to the city center, I recommend checking out my other video where I go into full details on all the available options. The cheapest way to get from Istanbul Airport to the city center is definitely by the metro. It's not only the most budget-friendly option, but also one of the most efficient ways to avoid Istanbul's heavy traffic. The metro system at the airport is served by the line M11, which directly connects Istanbul Airport with the city's metro network. The metro is very modern, and inside each carriage there are information displays, so you can easily see which station is coming next. This makes it very simple to follow your journey, even if you are not familiar with the system. There are also dedicated spaces inside the trains where you can store your luggage and suitcases, which is very convenient if you are traveling with bags. Trains runs approximately every 20 minutes and the system operates from around 6 AM until midnight, making it very convenient for most arrivals. It's also worth mentioning two important transfer stations. At Kâğıthane you can transfer to line M7. At Gayrettepe, you can connect to M2 line, which gives you direct access to many central parts of Istanbul. Before entering the metro, you will need an Istanbulkart, which you can easily buy and top up at vending machines inside the airport. The same card works for all public transport in the city, including buses, trams and ferries. If you are interested in how to get an Istanbulkart, how to top it up, and more detailed information, you can find a separate video linked in the description. Another great advantage is that one card can be used for up to 5 people. You simply tap the card multiple times when entering the station, so you don't need a separate card for each person. Now let's talk about the price. The fare depends on the number of stations you travel through. However, to pass through the turnstile, you need to have at least 53.23 Turkish lira loaded on your Istanbulkart. After your trip, the system calculates the exact fare based on the distance, and unused balance is refunded back to your card. It's important to mention that this refund system does not apply to tourist Istanbulkarts. It only works for cards registered with a local ID. So for most visitors, the full amount of 53.23 Turkish lira is effectively charged for the journey from the airport. Now let's take a look at how to actually get to the metro from the airport. After arriving, you will exit into the main airport hall through these doors. From here, the metro is located a bit farther away, roughly 10-minute walk. For security reasons, some exits from the arrival hall are closed, for example exit 12 or 11. So, once you step outside, you should turn right and continue straight following the signs that says Çıkış, in English exit, specifically towards exit 13. After that, you keep walking left along the pedestrian path and follow the red metro signs and direction boards. When you reach exit 11, you turn right and take the travelators, which will bring you closer to the metro entrance. At the metro entrance area, you turn left again. From here you can either take the elevator, which is the fastest option, or use the escalators. You will go down to the floor -2. On the right side, you can buy an Istanbulkart if you don't already have one. If you do, you simply continue straight towards the metro gates, which are on the left side. To enter the metro, you just tap your Istanbulkart on the reader and pass through. We actually used one card for 2 people, and as you can see, it works perfectly fine. One important thing to note, the M11 line does not start at the airport, so if you take the wrong direction, you will be heading further away from the Istanbul. Make sure to carefully follow the signs and boards the train towards Gayrettepe. After going down another level via the stairs, you will reach the platform, and all that's left is to wait for the train to arrive. I hope this video helped you. If you are interested in more travel tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It really helps a lot. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.